Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for creating VCF files from Word documents. On my computer you can see I have a Word document. I don't have Word installed, and for this application you don't even need Word installed. It's a WordPad, but it's open Word document .cx. And in this document you can see I have a simple table with first name, last name, phone, and email. You can have a different table, you can have more information with different columns in it, but the rule is like it should be one table in a document. It should contain columns you need, like I did. Like for example, I can add like any other information like home address to it or something like this. And first row must contain like name of the column. It doesn't matter which one, but for me, I have a first name, last name, preferred document, and email. And in order to convert it into VCF format, I will go to my website and download the converter to do that. And I will click on search and type VCF. And I need the create VCF file. This one. I'll click on it and click on Word to VCF and click on download Word to VCF and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. Basically, VCF is like a container for business cards. It contains one or many information for one or many business cards, and basically business cards information is like first name, last name, email, phone number, maybe, and so on. It could be URL in it, and you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI Insight Archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown publisher. So just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut launch app. Now conversion is three steps process. First step, we have to select Word file. I can, when you click on this link, you can download that file that I showed you on the beginning of the video, and you can delete all information from it and add your contact information for different people into that and use it for converting, also acceptable. So I will click on select input file, navigate to my contacts. I think if I sort by date, modify test contacts, yes. Test contact, click open, click on next step. On this step, I can specify in which way I want to create this VCF. So you probably saw that on that file there are many contacts information into this table. So what I can do, I can first I leave this checked because first row it contains column names, right? In our case, and it's good to have. And next I have to specify. So I will put everything in one file. If you specify many file, it will ask you for folder and put many files for every person, VCF files with the first name, last name into that folder. So next step, we have to match VCF column to column in our Word file. So when I click here, you can see I have a column from my Word document, first name to first name, last name. You may have a different field here if you name it in your Word document differently, like first, I don't know, like just name, and then this will be last name. So you select which is corresponding data more correctly to this organization. I don't have organization, I just have a phone and email. So I will add phone, preferred phone, and email. As you can see, there are many other different columns I can add, but I don't want to, like, my Word document doesn't have all this different information, so I don't want to add them as well. Just click next step on this, and on final step click run to create VCF file. It's asking me for name and location, and I can name it test contacts, and click save. And you can see it's a file saved into VCF file. I have a VCF viewer application. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside of VCF, and you can see we have all our information in here. Last name, first name, it's also added formatted name, like normal name, and preferred form and email into that VCF file. I will leave a link on this application it's a free app. It's just showing what is inside of VCF. I can export VCF to any different format, or I can open it. I do right click, open with, and I think Windows Contact will show me. But Windows Contacts will show me like first person. I click cancel, then second one, and it will keep showing me all people that are in this VCF file, which is okay. I don't have that many, but still. You can see it have name, email, phone in it, and basically only this information we have specified. Again, if you have more information, you can specify more columns in step 2 and have everything converted. So basically that's it. We created our VCF file from Word document, and if you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. Thank you. Also, I will be working on more converters for VCF, so if you're interested in more videos how to convert VCF files into different formats and from different formats, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.